Welcome, innovative entrepreneurs and startup enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a critical part of your pitch deck, the solution slide. This is where you get to showcase the unique value of your startup, demonstrating how your product or service solves the problem you've highlighted. Let's discuss crafting a solution slide that effectively communicates your startup's value and captivates investors. First, focus on the value, not just the features. While it's important to mention the features of your solution, the key is to translate these features into tangible benefits for your customers. Ask yourself, what value does my solution bring? And make sure this is front and center. Your solution should directly address the problem outlined in your pitch. There must be a clear, logical link between the problem and your solution. This connection is vital for investors to see the relevance and necessity of your product or service. Keep your explanation simple and clear. Avoid technical jargon or complex language that might confuse your audience. Your solution should be easily understood by anyone, regardless of their industry expertise. Use compelling visuals to support your explanation. Include product photos, diagrams, or use case scenarios. Visuals can make your solution more tangible, understandable, and relatable to your audience. Showcase real-world applications of your solution if possible. Case studies or testimonials can add credibility and demonstrate the practical impact of your solution. This real-world evidence can be incredibly persuasive. Highlight your competitive advantages. What makes your solution different from and better than others in the market? Clearly articulate these unique selling points to differentiate your startup. Briefly link your solution to your overall business model. Show how your solution fits into your revenue generation and scalability plans. This gives investors a snapshot of your business's potential for growth and success. End with a clear call to action or an engaging question. What do you want investors to remember or consider after seeing this slide? Make sure to leave them with a thought-provoking takeaway that keeps them engaged with your proposition. Remember, a powerful solution slide is more than just a list of features. It's a narrative about how your startup can make a real difference in the market. It's about turning your pitch deck into a compelling story of innovation and value. Now, I'd love to hear from you. How do you present your solution to capture investor interest and showcase your startup's unique value? Share your strategies or ask for advice in the comments below.